Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with this tropical, icy kind of look. I have no idea what to call this, but let's get into the video. So I'm using the Bella Noir palette and I'm just patting this on. I forgot what the brush is called because I have none of my brushes around me right now, so everything will be linked in the description box if I don't mention it. If my voice sounds like shit, I just woke up and it's 7 o'clock in the morning right now. I have no idea why I'm up. Going back into the Bella Noir palette, and I'm just taking that turquoise color and I'm just patting this right above the previous color just so it gives it a gradient effect. I'm doing the reverse method. Taking this black shimmery shade and I'm placing this right at the outer crease just to give it some depth. So right now we're just cutting our crease. Using the color Tweety from the Karity palette, and I'm just placing this in the crease at the beginning, the start of the crease, and I'm just packing this on. Using the color Vegas, and I'm applying this right next to the yellow. I did not know how hard I was patting my eye when I was doing this. I was like, slow down, my eyeball ain't going nowhere, thanks. Going back into the Bella Noir palette, and I'm using this dark, oh my god guys, I have no idea where that clip is, but anyways, using this L'Oreal eyeliner, I'm just outlining where I want it first, and then I go in and I fill in the lines. I'm so sorry, I have no idea where that clip is. Taking that same black shade from the Bella Noir palette, and I'm just packing this on to give it a matte effect. Using my NYX white liquid eyeliner, and I'm just placing this right above my crease. And I struggled really bad with this. Struggling, still struggling. Using my NYC mascara, and I'm just applying this to my eyelashes before I put my lashes on. Taking the same shade I started out with, and I'm just putting this under my eye, using the same mascara. Alright, bye guys. This is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments of what you guys think of this, or give me some suggestions on what you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time.